You'll find the Map toolbar at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's got handy features that you can use in both project settings and in the workspace. Click the ruler icon to start measuring. When you're done, just right-click or draw a closed shape to see the total area as well as the measurements. Press the Map View button to change how the background map looks. You can choose between Road View, Satellite Imagery, or choose None to just focus on your building without the distractions. You can adjust the map opacity to make the background more or less transparent. You can also adjust the lot opacity to see the lot outlines clearly. We'll talk about importing background images in the next video. Click Building View options to control what buildings you see. You can show or hide nearby buildings and adjust how transparent they are. You can also turn parts of your own building on or off in the 3D view or control its opacity, such as the parapet in the roof, roof structure, and underground parts of the building. Additionally, you can show or hide building labels in 2D view here. The Shortcut Keys menu shows you shortcut tricks for faster editing. For example, Ctrl-Z to undo, Ctrl-Y to redo, or the Delete key to remove buildings. You can also move buildings using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Click the Map Center button and the view will center back to your site. The 3D Rotate menu only shows up in 3D view. You can use it to rotate the view if you don't have a mouse. To exit 3D view, just right-click or press the Escape key. Use the zoom buttons to zoom in and out of the map. You can always use your mouse wheel instead. If you're in the editing mode, you'll see the Snap checkbox. If these are on, your moves will snap to existing points or angles neatly. If these are off, you can move freely without snapping. Keep in mind that you can hold Shift while editing to temporarily disable or enable snap. Next up, we'll show you how to import background images.